Hello everyone, my name is Poshana Bernike and my ID number is 3321034. So today I'm going to present my final project of syntax, and in this video I will explain about part of part of speech and the diagrams. In the part one, we're going to talking about what is part of speech, and in the part two we have to solve all the questions. There are 5 questions that I have to answer with using 3 diagrams. So let's start from part 1. Okay, so the first slide, we're going to talking about part of speech and the diagrams. Part of speech is the definition of part of speech is the syntactic sense is a grammatical categories that shows the function of words in a sentence. Syntax itself focus on how words are arranged to form meaningful sentence. Here are parts of the speech are classified differently in the different grammars, but most traditional grammars list 8 parts of speech in English. There are nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, preposition, conjunctions, and interjections. But some modern grammars add orders such as determiners and articles. Next, syntax categories are divided into 2 parts. The first part is lexical categories. Lexical categories is adjective and adjective phrase, adverb and adverb phrase, noun and noun phrase, verb and verb phrase, preposition and preposition phrase. The lexical categories definition is that a given grammar assumes will likely vary from this list. Certainly, numerous subcategories can be acknowledged. For instance, one can view pronoun as a subtype of noun, and verb can be divided into infinite verbs and noun, infinite verbs, gerund, infinite participle, and etc. The central lexical categories give rise to corresponding partial categories. Next slide. Lexical categories. A lexical categories is a syntactic categories for elements that are part of lexicon of language. These elements are the word level. These elements are the word level kinds of noun is a member of syntactic class. Example, row, tree, dog, person. A verb is a manner of syntactic class of word that example run, eat, sleep, be. Adjective word that modify or describe nouns or pronouns by providing additional information. Their qualities or characteristics, example, big, red, beautiful, intelligent. Adverbs, words that modify or describe verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs by indicating manner, times, place, degree, or frequency. Example, quickly, often, very, here. Prepositions. Words that establish a relationship between nouns or pronouns and other words in a sentence, usually expressing a location, direction, time, or manner. Example, in, on, at, under, before. Okay, next slide. Determiner, phrase, TP. A phrase that contains a determiner such as article like the or a. Demonstratives like this or those are quantifiers like some or many, and any accompanying modifiers, qualifiers, qualifiers. Definition. Qualifiers are words that modify adjectives, verbs, or adverbs. They indicate intensity, degree, of frequency of the word that modify. Example, adjective. She is very happy. Very is modify happy. Modifies happy. So, example verbs. He rarely exercise. Rarely is modifies exercise. Example of adverbs. I completely disagree. Completely is modifies disagree. Auxiliary verbs in English can be said to be helping words to complete the main verb in a sentence. Example, be, do, have, and etc. Conjunction is a word that connects words, phrases, and clauses in a sentence. Example, and, but, for, or, yet, and etc. This is the tree and label diagram. She usually helps me. Noun phrase is she, and verb phrase is usually helps me. Verbs is help. Noun syntactic test for nouns can follow a determiner, as in and even of the proposal can be modified by adjective, like this. This is the example. Verbs can combine with auxiliary verbs. Can, will, have, be, can follow the infinitive marker to can take on objective. Be object without adjective. Synthetic test at first. Okay, so the next one is we're going to part 2. In this part 2, we have to solve all this problem, all these questions using the 3 diagrams. Okay, so let's start to break down the number 1. This is the answer for number 1. Aldi went to the cinema. This is the sentence. Aldi is noun. Cinema is also noun. Verb phrase is went to the cinema. Prepositional phrase is to the cinema. To is preposition. And the article determiner is the. Okay, the number 2. The faster runner won a gold medal at the Olympic. This is the sentence. Okay. The noun phrase is the faster runner. The determiner is the. Adjective is faster. Verb phrase is won a global medal. And the prepositional phrase is at the Olympic. At is a preposition. And I think A is also determiner. Number 3, the old and the big tree swayed in the hurricane. Okay, noun phrase is the old and a big tree. Adjective is old. Big is also adjective. Verb phrase, swayed in the hurricane. Prepositional phrase, in the hurricane. In is prepositional phrase, preposition. The is determiner. And the youngest sister put the doll in the purse. The youngest sister is noun phrase and the adjective is youngest. Verb phrase is put the doll in the purse. Determiner the, in the purse, preposition phrase, prepositional phrase, noun phrase, the doll, and the purse, also noun phrase. This is the last questions. So the last question is this is the sentence. The big girl is the noun phrase. The is article. And adjective is big. Noun is girl. Verb phrase, saw Eliezer with a lovable panda. Prepositional phrase is with a lovable panda. With is preposition. Adverb is recently. Adjective is lovable. And article or determiner is a. So that's all my presentation today. Thank you very much.